Ladies and gentlemen, this is Professor Lojani Senkunku. I'm the first doctor of philosophy in international petroleum, minerals and energy. I'm Lura Kwachita, international petroleum, minerals, energy attorney, expert, and the diplomat of United Nations. As everybody knows that I'm the first no Masonic, no married, and no gay priest ad vitam aeternam and people's elect Secretary General of United Nations, and the 10th after Antonio Guterres. First of all, today, Your Excellency, Member President of General Assembly of United Nations, Member of Security Council, staff of United Nations, my cabinet, global leader, king, queen. Today is the commemoration of Kofi Annan, the 7th Secretary General of United Nations. In other video, I had opportunity to show why I create it. I celebrate his legacy. I celebrate the legacy. I didn't wait Ban Ki-moon to disappear, to make a video also to celebrate him, my boss, Ban Ki-moon. And I'm glad today to commemorate, to celebrate the legacy of Kofi Annan. And in the other video, I will explain my relation with Kofi Annan. But in this video, I want just to show that since you create United Nations, the Charter didn't define peace. Academicians didn't define peace. Article first. So you have to wait. There are something you can do, you can copy, you can be arrogant, but you have to wait until God bring it to you, that to humiliate humanity, arrogance. So many Secretary General passed the first one until the 9th one, Antonio Guterres. They never defined peace. You have to wait the shushu of God, the top, because among the Secretary General, Boutros Ghali was giving training in the Academy of International, but me, I'm full professor of international in many universities. So I'm top professor, that Secretary General. So peace, and also I was in seminary to understand better. You cannot understand the concept if you didn't do Greco-Latin in seminary. In Latin, peace means pacis. In Latin, pacis or pax. Pacis or pax. That's in Latin. And the dictionary define it wrongly to say that is the country, the state is in the war and want to get out from the war. Okay, we can accept it. Or the country end the war. But this definition is insufficient. And the other said that peace is the absence of worry. But how in anthropology separate the worry with human? Human is always worry. Worry, woman said, we don't have, even if the mother of Jesus know that God will give her everything, said that Jesus were in the north of Cana. They don't have wine. They don't have a wine. Jésus, ils n'ont plus de vin. So how to separate worry by with a human to define peace. That's all the work I will do at New York. You don't have it, I have it. You can be jealous, you can copy, but it never will work. If I stop today I'm stopping sending email today. I will miss you, or you will miss me. For sure, I have it, I have this confidence. So peace is a passes in diplomacy. In diplomacy, what does that peace mean in diplomacy? My training to give to students about diplomacy, international diplomacy of United Nations, and with a member of state, is the settlement. Peace is the settlement of conflict by three things: negotiation, disarmament, negotiation, disarmament, and handing, and no violence, and no violence. Donc, la paix en gréco-latin, c'est pacis ou pax. Je dis la difficulté, la complexité de définir ça parce que tous les secrétaires généraux n'ont pas pu, n'ont même pas défini, n'ont même pas osé. Mais moi, je suis le top des professeurs. Je vous le dis que j'ai l'intelligence de Dieu que personne ne peut challenger. Et je vous surprends avec la définition de la paix aujourd'hui. Antonio Guterres ne l'a pas fait. Boutros Ghali, Kofi Annan, Ban Ki-moon, ils peuvent aller voir. Mais en gréco-latin, c'est pacis ou pax. On peut donc donner plusieurs définitions, c'est complexe, mais en diplomatie des Nations Unies, parce que ma thèse porte sur les Nations Unies et le pétrole, les États et les compagnies internationales, et la protection diplomatique. Dans la diplomatie, la paix se définit dans la triade. Le règlement des conflits, de la guerre, par la négociation, ça c'est un. Deuxièmement, entamer le désarmement. Troisièmement, la non-violence. Mais c'est des notions complexes. Quand vous dites aux États-Unis, quand vous êtes là, quand vous gardez les gens dans la franc-maçonnerie, vous dites le contrôle. Dans la charte, il n'y a pas de contrôle. In the charter, there is no concept. Our founder never talked about control. So you have to make difference between politicians are mindless and multilatéralisme. Ça, Sassou ne peut pas le savoir. Macron ne peut pas le... C'est des petits de rien du tout. Je peux l'enseigner à l'université de Saint-Pétersbourg, dominer toutes les universités chinoises, dominer les universités britanniques, dominer les universités de la Suisse et partout dans le monde, les universités alémaniques, de l'Allemagne, d'Europe. Mais est-ce que garder les gens dans la franc-maçonnerie, les marier par force, est-ce que ça c'est la paix? Est-ce que Poutine et Trump qui sont allés négocier, est-ce qu'on parlait du désarmement? Parce que la paix c'est ça, dans la diplomatie là. Paxis and pax, gréco-latin. Donc, vous n'aurez jamais quelqu'un. Tulsi, you never will have a chief if your boss, even if you put the name of Trump and Alien Obama or Secret Services in your CV, there is no, it never will be heavy. Medvedev, quand vous mettez le nom de professeur Nkunku dans votre CV, que c'est mon chef, ça aura beaucoup de poids. So, peace is that. But I'm handing to Switzerland. Kofi Annan make me international. This is one. International. Kofi Annan make me international. And the Constitution of Switzerland, Article 5(4), say that Switzerland will respect international law. Switzerland, la Suisse va respecter le droit international. Et moi, je suis international. Ça y est, là, c'est permanent. Tant que Trump va dire à la Suisse, va diriger l'économie suisse, va dire à la Suisse ce qu'elle doit faire, sinon des sanctions, moi, je suis pertinent toujours. C'est moi qui dois régler ça. Parce que j'ai travaillé pour les États-Unis, j'ai travaillé pour la Suisse. La Suisse me reconnaît en 96 que j'étais international. Ça y est là, la Suisse. Le département fédéral des affaires étrangères. Ça y est là. Matthias Kraft, un Suisse allemand. Donc le droit international public, ça y est là. C'est à Berne, c'est Berne qui le fait, ça y est là. Mais est-ce que la Suisse, en venant m'imposer de marier, est-ce que ça c'est la paix? Est-ce que c'est la pax passis? Est-ce que la Suisse, en important, en interférant dans ma vie privée, en sachant que je suis international, ça y est là, en sachant que je suis international, ça y est là, avec les badges, ça y est là, this is me with a badge. So Kofi Annan didn't ask me to marry it, to open the position of petroleum, the most important position of petroleum in the world war. You can create it, but you have expertise. You are unqualified. La Suisse voulait se passer de moi, mais la Suisse est allée prendre la nation la plus favorisée pour travailler avec Trump. Mais la Suisse a montré, le Conseil fédéral a montré la mésintelligence là. La mésintelligence. On n'utilise pas la nation la plus favorisée comme ça, c'est une norme dangereuse. Donc, by impose, you know that I'm international. Since 1996, I'm international. Department of Foreign Affairs, not Swiss, but Swiss here. Bern is here. You can see Bern. The Department of Foreign Affairs. And I have the letter, new letter, that we give to Dr. Tatiana. And Dr. Tatiana wrote Swiss to give me the card of legitimation. I didn't come for adaptation. I didn't come, I'm not interested to have a nationality for any country. The chart does require that. The chart does require the Secretary General should be married. The chart does say that you have to control women. There is no control, even if in the Constitution of Swiss. Here. Do you think that's under 5 years you poison me? You make privation not only to me, but many people around the world. What you do to me, you do it to African. You occupy country, you take mineral, and Africa doesn't have any right to revendic, to claim. I'm honest people, I never wrong Swiss. Always telling United Nations, for example, to pay the TPJ because I have a lot of money for petroleum. If I didn't, this is the bottom half. You can see it here. Kofi Annan. If America